Hi, I'm Tracy Morris. I'm coming to you today from my studio in McLean, Virginia. Lighting for me is always the foundation of our designs. So how do we figure out exactly what lighting is the best? Let me talk from the top down. We have got your overall task lights, which are what we all refer to as hi-hats or recess cans. Those lights are bright, they allow you to do homework, they allow you to do work at night at your kitchen table, but a lot of times they feel way too bright, way too caustic. So for me, my favorite aspects of lighting are what I would call ambient lighting. Those lights are the table lamps, the sconces, the chandeliers that are all on dimmers. You want to place those all around your space in what I consider sort of a triangulated pattern. So for example, if you have a sofa with two side tables, place lamps on either side of your sofa on those tables. And then on the other side of your room, you might have a chair. Put a reading lamp right next to that chair, so it sort of cranes gently over the chair in order for you to read. It creates a perfect triangle of light. And it's very welcoming and warm to have that type of lighting in your space. Another topic I get asked about all the time is what color, temperature do I select for my light bulbs? So if you're looking at the LED concept, which we all are, you can range from 2700 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin. So when we are looking at lighting for our homes, we are sticking within the 2700 to 3500 range. That 2700 is what I recommend to all of my clients. Reason being, it is truly such a welcoming glow. So overall, if you are looking for a warm, great light to read a book by, select a 2700 LED bulb. If you need a little bit more light and you're looking for something to chop some vegetables or cook a meal, a 3000 to a 3500 may be the way to go. I get a lot of questions about what is the difference between LED and a regular light bulb that we all used to purchase years ago. Most of the time, in a bedroom or a regular lamp, you would use a 40 watt or a 60 watt light bulb. Those provide a fantastic soft light glow. If you need a reading lamp and you are looking for a little bit more punch, then use what's called a three-way bulb. That will give you 50 watts, 100 watts, and it'll go all the way up to 150 watts. If you have poor lighting, you are not going to see any of the amazing things that you have just put in your room. It changes everything.